Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponers. Today I'm here with this grocery stock up haul. Now, I a lot of times come on here with free hauls from Ibotta. This isn't one of them. I've said this before. My grocery shopping might be a little bit different from yours. I know some people probably can get it for cheaper, but you know, it is what it is for me. I do what I can do. I saved over 50% today. Well, maybe not even over, but it was around 50% because it was a really good haul and I got some great deals. So I'm just going to dive right in. Also, you're going to be seeing this video after I post my Kroger Deals video on Wednesday. I'm not quite sure what day you'll see this. It'll be either Friday or Saturday or something like that. But I have lots of other Kroger videos posted because there's a lot of deals going on at Kroger right now. A lot more than what I actually bought. So if you click the little line in the top right corner, you'll be able to see those. So yeah, do that for sure. First up, Fancy Feast. Now, this is one of these times, it ain't free, but it's important to stock up when stuff goes on sale like this. And this is the cheapest I've ever seen it. So the Fancy Feast, we had to buy 52 cans. So that's a lot of cat food. They're 60 cents each, but you know what? We use it every day, and it's nice to be stocked up when it's at its cheapest price. And I really would like to stock up and get 50 more cans because this just is an insane deal. They are on sale, or they're regular price 60 cents. There's a pet promo. I explained this in detail in my Kroger Instant Savings video. There is a pet promo, spend 30, get 10 off. That's already a great deal. 34% off right off the bat. Great deal. Now how this is calculated is it takes off your $10. The register will not accept another coupon if it goes below 30. So this came to $31.20. I had a Catalina coupon for $1.75 off of 36. It would not take it because that would have brought it below 30. So I asked the cashier, hey, can you scan this other coupon? And she did, just fine. So your subtotal has to be below, your subtotal has to not be any lower than $30. But I hope that makes sense. So this came to $31.20, used $1 off 24. That's why I threw in the 2 extra cans. Because 50 cans at 60 cents would have made it 30. But in order for me to use my $1 off 24, I had to throw in 2 more cans so that my subtotal would be $30.20. So I didn't know that about the coupons, but your coupon total must be after. You cannot add coupons and get it below $30 and then double dip on the savings. Hope that makes sense. I explained that better in my other video. Anyways, it made it $20.20 for 50 cans, but it got sweeter because I got a $3 Catalina bag, and I don't even know why. It just printed out $3. I don't know the details on that, but I got $3 back, so that was a nice surprise. And it ended up making these 34 cents a can, down from 60 cents. That's almost half price. Yeah, you better believe I'm going to go stock up on that some more because that's insane. Okay. Kroger yogurt. My doctor said I should try to eat more yogurt because it's healthier than some of the other desserts I'm eating. So yeah, they're 40 cents, and there is a deal where if you buy 10, you get a $1 Catalina. So it knocks these down to 30 cents. And when you look at how much Yoplait yogurt is, that's a good deal for this. So I went ahead and did it. The Slim Right, my mom just always gets this, $6.49. Progresso. Like I said, today was a stock up trip, so I spent a little bit, but I'm okay with it because I got some good stuff. I really love Progresso soup. I was wanting to hold out if you got a coupon, but they had a bunch and it just looked good. It still was over half price, so they're 99 cents each when you buy 8, but you don't, so I ended up getting 17. But the good thing about this one is, which is very rare for a Kroger sale, you have to buy 8 of them, but anything after that will just bring up 99 cents. So I was able to get 17 of them for 99 cents each. Eggs, I think they were $1.69. Now the Chex Mix and the Bugles are, those were $1.99, I'm sorry. I mean, they're just 99 cents. Sorry, my mom's here trying to tell me the price, but I don't remember. They were just 99 cents, so that was a good deal. That was a good deal. The Chex Mix and the Bugles, they are $1, and I have a 50 cent off of 2 insert coupons, so they're 75 cents. Sweet Baby Ray's, these were $1 each. These aren't the healthiest, but I really like them. On the Bush's Black Bean Fiesta, they were $1.25, $1 off coupons, so 25 cents. This was exciting. The Land of Frost lunch meat, they're $3.49 on sale, and I had a 75 cent manufacturer digital coupon and a $1 best customer bonus coupon. They both came off because they were both digital. They both deducted $1.75 off. So this is $1.74 for a pound of ham. That was a good deal. Again, probably not the healthiest, but sometimes you just got to go for convenience. I think it's still better than going out all the time and getting fast food, so whatever. My mom needed these for a recipe. The Pringles, and I went with reduced fat, so there I go, trying to be a little bit healthier. They're $1 and had $1 off 4 coupons. They were 75 cents. These Smart Ones, these were $1, and I don't know if this rebate will still be available by the time I post this. Amy Stotts informed me there's $1 back on 2 from Checkout 51. So I got 2 of them. I used the rebate on that. There's a 50-cent Ibotta for the third one. The other one was just $1. So these were $2.50. No. Yeah, that's right. $2.50 for 4 of these. That's a great price in my book. And these were some money makers. The Stay Free, they are currently $1.99. 2 off 2 coupon. And there's $1.50 back on each of them. So I got $6 back. I paid 4, got back 6, so $2 money maker. And then the Carefree. Now originally at my store, last week there was only a certain variety that worked, but they got these in stock now. So this is the original. It has to say original. They're $1.99 and there's a 2 off 2 coupon and $1 Ibotta. So I made those free. Now, this is a little crazy. It was $58 for everything, but when you got 52 cans of cat food, 17 things of soup, and 10 things of yogurt, and some snacky stuff. Oh, I forgot about the toothpaste. I'm sorry. $1.99, $4 off 2 digital, and that's on the mega event. These are all mega event items. So yeah, 58 bucks. I don't think that's horrible for all this stuff, especially when you're getting cat food and all that soup. And those soups, that will last 17 lunches. So $1 a meal. When you're looking at it that way, it's worth the price. And sometimes I pay more for convenience. I know that's something many couponers say that you should never do. Sometimes it's worth to pay a little bit more for convenience on stuff when you're busy. It just helps. So yeah, that's why I get these frozen meals and things, because I don't really enjoy cooking all that much. So yeah, that is all I have for now, and thank you so much for watching.